The simplest way to compress the file size of a video is to lower the bitrate settings when you export it. The H.264 codec is a good balance between high quality and low file sizes. Make sure you've got the correct resolution selected, and then scroll down to bitrate settings. The H.264 codec will give you the option to export in either a 1-pass or 2-pass export. The 2-pass option is a higher quality, and here we're currently set to a target bitrate of 44 megabytes per second and a maximum bitrate of 56 megabytes per second. This is a high quality setting for 4K video and estimates our exported file size at 805 megabytes. To compress, we can choose the lower quality 1-pass export option and take the target bitrate down to 35 megabytes per second, which will reduce our exported file size even further. Going below 35, we'll start to see a loss of quality, so if you need to compress the video even further, you can consider exporting in 1080p by changing the resolution to 1920 by 1080 and the video bitrate to 8 megabytes per second, or compress even further by changing to 720p, which is a resolution of 1280 by 720 and a bitrate of 5 megabytes per second.